how are you? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Let's start computer class 4th. Chapter 1, Input and Output Devices. In this lesson you will know about some computer devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, printer, speaker, etc. A computer is a data processing machine and it needs users' interaction to perform any job. After processing the raw fact called data, it produces useful information for the user. But how do you give data and interaction to the computer, and how it can return the useful information to you? To do all these, different type of input and output devices can be connected with the computer. Input devices: the devices which are used to give data and interaction to the computer are called input devices. Various type of input devices can be used with the computer depending upon the type of data you want to enter in the computer. Example: keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, etc. Keyboard, this is keyboard. Mouse, this is mouse. Joystick, this is joystick. Light pen, this is light pen. Scanner, this is scanner. Microphone, this is microphone. Trackball, this is trackball. Output devices: the devices which are used to display the result or information are called output devices. You can view the output on the monitor, or you can print it on a paper using a printer. Monitor and printer are the commonly used output devices. Monitor, this is monitor. Printer are of different type. Printers कई प्रकार के होते हैं. Dot matrix printer, this is dot matrix printer. Page printer, inkjet printer, this is inkjet printer. Laser printer, this is laser printer. Speaker, this is speaker. Plotter, this is plotter. So student, let's start exercise A. Multiply choice question. 1. The devices which are used to give data and interaction to the computer are called: A. Output devices, B. Processes devices, C. Input devices, D. Storage devices. This answer is C. Input devices. 2. It is used to enter data and interaction directly into the computer. A. Scanner, B. Printer, C. Microphone, D. Keyboard. This answer is keyboard. 3. It is basically a pointing device which work on the principle of point and click. A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Joystick, D. Scanner. This answer is mouse. 4th, it is an input device which is used to control the movement of an object on the screen. A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Joystick, D. Scanner. This answer is C. Joystick. 5. You can store voice data in the computer by speaking in front of this device. A. Trackball, B. Headphones, C. Speaker, D. Microphone. This answer is D. Microphone. Next, B. Fill in the blanks. Dash. Mouse uses Bluetooth technology to send the data through the air to a receiver. This answer is cordless. C-O-R-D, cord, L-E-S-S, less, cordless. 2. Dash is used for making drawings directly on the monitor screen. This answer is light pen. L-I-G-H-T, light, P-E-N, pen, light pen. 3. The dash reads the image and save it in the computer as a file. This answer is scanner. C-S-C-A-N-N-E-R, scanner. 4. A. Dash is similar to a mouse but is mounted in a fixed position. This answer is trackball. T-R-A-C-K, track, B-A-L-L, ball, trackball. 5. The output produced on the screen is called dash. This answer is soft copy output. S-O-F-T, soft, C-O-P-Y, copy, O-U-T, out, P-U-T, put, output. Soft copy output. Thank you. So friends, homework. Option A, option B. Fill your book, एंड आपको ये नोटबुक पर भी करना है. थैंक यू.